Hey guys, this is Maria from Consida's nutrition team, and today's customer question is, can you return to a normal diet after getting rid of Candida? The simple answer is that you will probably always need to eat a much healthier, low-sugar diet than you did before. Candida overgrowth is a problem that can keep coming back, especially in those that already show a propensity for it. In the long term, you will need to avoid eating large amounts of junk food again, eating large amounts of sugar, and taking antibiotics unless absolutely necessary. There are certain foods that you can introduce once you finish the strict anti-Candida diet. However, you will need to follow the above rules consistently and for a long time. Candida will take advantage of any opportunity that you give it. Going forward, you want your diet to be centered on vegetables, high-quality protein foods, and some starchy vegetables, grains, and legumes. You can gradually reintroduce certain foods into your maintenance phase of the Candida diet. In general, focus on foods that are low to moderate on the glycemic index, which will prevent glucose spikes that are more likely to create a yeast overgrowth. Slowly add starchy varieties of vegetables, such as sweet potatoes, squashes, and parsnips, legumes such as lentils and chickpeas, gluten-free grains like quinoa and millet, and low-sugar fruits like pears, cherries, and peaches. If the reintroduced foods don't cause flare-ups of Candida symptoms, you can move on to reintroducing more foods that you have been avoiding. I recommend doing this reintroduction slowly and one item at a time. We hope this answers your question. If you want to contact us for more information, please email us at support@consida.com and we'll get back to you. At Consida, your health is important to us.